Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The trouble code P0600 indicates an issue related to serial communication within the vehicle's control systems, specifically in the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM is a critical component that manages the transmission's functions and optimizes performance based on data inputs. When the TCM detects any anomalies that may affect its operation, it triggers the P0600 code and stores this diagnostic trouble code for future reference. This code highlights problems in the communication pathways that connect the TCM with other electronic control units, ECUs, throughout the vehicle. Understanding this error is essential for ensuring smooth transmission performance and overall vehicle operation. In this presentation, we will explore the specifics of the P0600 code, including symptoms, potential causes, and systematic troubleshooting steps to rectify the issue. The primary component affected by DTC P0600 is the Transmission Control Module, or TCM. It is responsible for managing various aspects of the transmission functions, including gear shifts and performance optimization based on vehicle speed and engine load. The TCM interprets data from several sensors and inputs to ensure effective communication between the engine and transmission systems. Typically, the TCM is located above the transmission assembly in modern Honda Accord models, ensuring it is centrally positioned to receive accurate data. The importance of the TCM cannot be understated, as any faults in its operations can lead to significant performance issues. The P0600 code indicates a malfunction or interruption in the serial communication pathways that connect the TCM to other involved electronic units. Several factors could contribute to the appearance of DTC P0600, primarily involving faults associated with the TCM and its connections. A faulty TCM is a plausible cause, which could result from age, wear, or manufacturing defects, leading to disrupted communication. Additionally, wiring issues such as damaged or corroded wires can cause signals to be lost or misinterpreted, significantly affecting the communication lines. Connector problems, where the connectors associated with the TCM or other control units are loose or corroded, can also result in the TCM incorrectly reading or transmitting data. Each of these potential causes must be explored methodically to ascertain the underlying reason for the DTC being triggered. The presence of DTC P0600 can manifest several symptoms indicating that all is not well with the vehicle's transmission communication systems. One common symptom is general transmission performance issues, which could present as erratic shifting, poor acceleration, or failure to shift into appropriate gears. The check engine light may illuminate as a direct result of the detected communication fault, serving as a warning to the driver. Drivers may also experience an inability to shift gears smoothly or altogether, resulting in a jerky or stuck vehicle. Awareness of these symptoms allows for timely intervention, preventing further complications that could arise from prolonged communication issues within the TCM. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0600 code is to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows you to check the dashboard indicators to ensure that the vehicle's electronic systems are powered and functioning properly. Observing the dash lights can provide preliminary information regarding any existing faults in other systems that may influence the TCM's operations. It's also essential to establish a baseline of system readiness and error codes that may be present before proceeding with more in-depth diagnostics. Starting the troubleshooting from this fundamental step ensures that groundwork is laid for further investigation based on how the vehicle responds in the on state. Once repairs or replacements related to the DTC P0600 have been completed, the next objective is to verify the integrity of those actions. To do this, start by clearing any diagnostic trouble codes stored in the vehicle's computer using an appropriate diagnostic tool. After the DTCs have been cleared, it is crucial to perform a test drive of the vehicle to return it to normal operating conditions. During the drive, observe the transmission's performance as well as watch for the reappearance of the check engine light or the DTC code. Successful resolution is indicated by a smooth driving experience without the check engine light returning or new codes being generated. This validation process ensures all issues have been addressed and reoccurrence does not happen. To prevent the occurrence of DTC P0600 and maintain the transmission control system's optimal performance, engaging in regular preventive maintenance is essential. Regularly inspecting all wiring connections in the TCM circuitry can preemptively identify issues like fraying, corrosion, or brakes. Checking the integrity of connectors ensures that electrical connections remain tight and free of debris or oxidation, which can impede data transmission. Furthermore, staying up to date with any available software updates for the TCM will help ensure the system operates with the latest fixes and enhancements. Taking these proactive steps can extend the lifespan of the transmission systems and reduce the likelihood of faults in communication, contributing to an improved vehicle operation experience. In conclusion, understanding the DTC P0600 and the role of the transmission control module is crucial for ensuring vehicle performance. The troubleshooting steps outlined aim to provide a systematic approach for diagnosing and addressing communication issues directly related to the TCM. By implementing these steps, symptoms related to poor transmission operation can be effectively resolved. Additionally, performing regular preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the chances of encountering similar issues in the future. Awareness of signs, potential causes, and appropriate responses to this DTC empowers vehicle owners and technicians alike to achieve optimal functionality and safety in the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.